Of course, here's your YouTube script for the 2025 Nokia 220 for your channel, Welcome to FK iPhone, your go-to place for everything about phones, gadgets, and more. Today, we are checking out a classic that just got a modern touch. Say hello to the new Nokia 220 for 2025. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about features. The Nokia 220 has always been known for its simplicity and reliability, and the 2025 version keeps that spirit alive while bringing a few fresh updates. It comes with a larger color display that makes everything a little brighter and easier to read. The user interface is clean and extremely easy to navigate, perfect for anyone who just wants a phone that works without any confusion. You get 4G connectivity, which means faster internet browsing and crystal clear voice calls thanks to VoLTE support. The battery life is one of the biggest highlights. Nokia claims it can last for days on a single charge. This phone is made for people who are tired of charging their smartphones every few hours. With a long-lasting removable battery, you can simply pop in a spare if you are traveling or away from a charger for a long time. Storage is modest but practical. The phone supports micro SD cards, so you can store a good number of photos, music, and even videos without any hassle. Speaking of music, the 2025 Nokia 220 comes with a built-in FM radio that works without needing headphones and an MP3 player, bringing some serious nostalgic vibes. You also get basic but useful apps like a calculator, calendar, and even some classic games pre-installed. And yes, Snake is back once again for those moments when you just need to kill time in the most satisfying way possible. Now let's talk about the exterior. The new Nokia 220 sticks closely to the classic candy bar design, but with a more refined and polished look. The body is made of durable polycarbonate that feels sturdy in the hand. It is designed to survive drops and daily wear and tear better than most fragile smartphones out there. The buttons are big and tactile, giving you that satisfying click with every press. The keypad is spaced out nicely, making texting and dialing a comfortable experience, especially for those who are not fans of touch screens. The back of the phone has a minimalist vibe with a small, simple camera setup and the Nokia branding right in the center. Color options this year are pretty fresh too. You can choose from classic black and white, but also more fun shades like sky blue and sunset red, adding a little bit of personality to your device. It is clear that Nokia wants this phone to be practical but also a little bit fun to carry around. When it comes to the camera, it is basic but functional. You get a simple rear camera that can snap quick shots and even record videos in basic quality. It is not meant for Instagram-worthy photos, but it is perfect for capturing everyday memories without any fuss. Now for the conclusion, the 2025 Nokia 220 is not trying to compete with the latest iPhones or Android flagships. Instead, it is a phone for those who want something reliable, simple, and long-lasting. Whether you are buying it as a backup phone, a travel companion, or just a break from complicated smartphones, the Nokia 220 is a solid choice. It brings just enough modern features to stay relevant without losing the classic Nokia charm that made it iconic in the first place. Long battery life, durable design, easy-to-use interface, and a touch of nostalgia make this phone a refreshing option in a world obsessed with bigger and flashier tech. That's it for today's video. If you liked this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to FK iPhone for more phone updates, and let me know in the comments what you think about the new Nokia 220. Would you rock a simple phone like this in 2025? See you in the next one. Would you also want a slightly shorter version or maybe a more energetic version depending on your channel vibe?